And this will be 6-year-old Rajvi who is going to sing a Bengali folk song for all of us. Please welcome Rajvi. Loud clap, please.
Hello, my name is Rajvi and I'm going to sing an Indian song. Now, chuti kakatua tore cheche baina, chai tar lao fite chiruni ar aina, jet poro lao perati arong charicha, mun pora rognia, polo muk parita, pata pora bandebo, man kano daina, lao chuti kakatua tore cheche baina, chai tar